In this video, we'll show you how to turn your project's tasks and dates into a timeline in Excel, even if your data is currently in Smartsheet. Sometimes it makes more sense to create your project timeline in Excel, especially if you just need a static version with your data and chart in one place. With Excel's Insert Chart feature, you can build a professional timeline in just a few clicks. We'll also walk you through an easy-to-follow Excel timeline template tutorial, helping you save time and effort whenever you need a project timeline. Let's get started. If your data is in Smartsheet, make sure you're in Grid View. Click File, Export, and Export to Microsoft Excel. If you're starting from scratch, open a new Excel workbook. Add one column with your project tasks and a second column with the task's dates. For spacing purposes, it works best if the dates are weeks, months, or years. Now add a third column called Height. If you're working from your Smartsheet data, you'll also need to add this column to format the height of each task and whether it is above or below the horizontal line. Do this by entering ones and negative ones. We're alternating the values so the tasks are evenly spaced above and below the horizontal line. The next step is to insert a chart. Highlight the date and height columns, click the Insert tab, click the Insert column or bar chart icon, and select a 2D column chart. If you're working from your Smartsheet data and your date and height columns are not next to each other, highlight the first column, then press Ctrl and click on the second column. Click the Insert column or bar chart icon and select a 2D column chart. Now we need to attach the tasks to the columns. Click the Chart Elements button, expand the Data Labels menu, and select More options. Click Value from Cells, highlight your task list, then click OK. Remove the height values by unchecking the value box. Format the columns as lines by clicking any column to select them all. Click the Format tab and remove the fill color. Now click the Chart Elements button. Expand the Errors bar menu and select More options. Click the minus direction, no end cap style, set the error amount to percentage, and enter 100 in the field. Now the columns are lines. Remove the chart title by clicking on it and pressing Delete. Remove the vertical axis by opening the chart elements, expanding the axis options, and unchecking primary vertical. Increase the weight of the horizontal line to make it stand out. Customize text color, font size, and line color. And there you have it, your personalized timeline in Excel. Now let's take a look at how you can save time by using a template to create a timeline. First, download the Yearly Project Timeline template in Excel. This template has a pre-formatted timeline with text boxes for tasks and milestones. Enter your project's title and the start date. The timeline will auto-populate starting with the month and year you entered. Click inside the text boxes to enter your project-specific information. Click and drag them to align with their appropriate dates. If you need additional text boxes, copy and paste from the existing ones. If you need to remove a box, simply click it and press Delete. Move the Today indicator by clicking and dragging it. If you don't need the entire timeline, for example, if your project is only 6 months, hide the columns you don't need. And there you have it, a customized timeline in Excel using a template. Discover how Timeline View in Smartsheet can help you visualize date-based work and achieve greater efficiency.